Formation Golf. Weather at 1600. Automated observation. Wind 330 at 15. Gusting 25. Wind 330 at 15. Gusting 25. Visibility
Alright, ready for the fun. Here we go. Is he cleared us to take off?
Yeah,
okay.
He cleared us to take off.
Alright, take off power set. And is a green and the airspeed's alive.
Level it off, pull back. Pull back. There you go.
Holy anime. Oh, it's hit it for choppy.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, this is going to be a challenging day, I can tell already.
That's true. That's good, that's good. Perfect, beautiful. Doing good, keep it going. Use the power all the way out.
All the way out.
All the way out.
To win, right?
There you go, perfect. Hold it there, hold it there. Okay, okay.
You got it? You got it?
I've got it, I got it. I have control.
Okay.
Sorry about it.
Fuck.
That was good, not bad.
Jesus. Alright, thanks. Yeah.
That was not bad at all.
Runway 26.
Clear, touch and go 26, cool with you, Oscar. Oh, look at it sink, eh?
Yeah. So when you come in for approach, all you're worried about your airspeed, airspeed and your approach. Airspeed and your approach. Okay?
Turn right about now.
Yeah.
Speed, we're good. Oh, now. It's gonna drift us over anyway, so.
Add some power in. That's good. More. Just side slip in. Add a little bit of power there. That's good. Just hold it.
Whoa.
Power idle. Power is all the way out.
Yeah, we're all the way out, yeah.
Okay, that's good. Keep it there. Keep it going. Keep it there. Keep it there.
Oh, that was okay.
Yeah.
Alright, full power. Carpet in. And, that felt a lot better.
You have to have that input all the way till you touch down.
Okay.
That was pretty neat.
It felt a lot better. The plane didn't attach more, I think.
Or all the way out. Nose down slightly forward. That's good. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. That's good.
What did he do there? Okay.
The power?
With
Gust 20 miles to land, runway 27. The airport, there's a dash 8 in left downwind. They're south of the airport, and you'll be following.
Wow, you feel that, man.
So just keep it the weight.
We'll go looking for traffic, talk to that.
Alright, we're ready.
There's a little bit power there. That's good. Just hold it there. Hold it. The plane will come down. Don't worry about it.
Good idle.
That's good. It will come down.
Yeah, we're a little. Should we overshoot or?
Don't worry about it. Keep it going.
Talk to that hotel number 3, and we got the traffic inside. Talk to Delta Hotel, Roger.
Put that with the Rico. If it's needed, give him more power. Sorry, more aileron, more rudder. That's it. Hold it there. Hold it there. Hold it there. Aileron to wind, full power. Power.
Okay,
That's good. That's good. That's good. Speed you usually rotate at.